Hey guys, so today we're unboxing here the JBL TUNE225tws truly wireless earbuds. So these come here with comfort fit, hands-free stereo calling. Then they also have 25 hours of total battery life, and that comes together from the 5 hours in the earbuds and then 20 more hours you can charge from the charging case. Then on the outside of the box we already see here a couple of features that these earbuds come with, so voice assist support. And then finally JBL is able to do mono mode, so you can use either the left earbud or the right earbud by itself. In the past you were only able to use the right earbud only, so now you can also just use the left earbud. And here on the bottom you have some specs, so the frequency range, transducer size, and then also USB Type-C charging, so not the old micro USB connector anymore. Then here on the back side we already see here the charging case and some more features, so the JBL pure bass sound. Then it has the universal fitting earbuds, and then what we had before, it supports hands-free stereo calls, so you can use both earbuds when you're in the phone call. Then 15 minutes of charging in the charging case gives you 1 hour of music time, and then the 25 hours of total playtime. Okay, so now it's finally time to open up the box. So what do we find inside? First of all, we have here the USB-C type charging cable, and then here the little booklet with the paperwork, and one of the things here is the Quickstart guide. So let's take a quick look at that one. If you want to have a deeper look, then maybe pause the video so you can read this properly. I'm just going to fast forward through here. Here we have the technical specs in case you're interested in that, and on the back side we have all kinds of translations, other languages. So then let's start with the charging case. You can see here looks very similar to the one from the TUNE225tws. It does have a magnetic lid, so this always stays closed. And then here the USB Type-C charging connector. And here the hinge, that looks like it's metal. It's not just plastic like the rest of the charging case. And then in the front you have the JBL logo, nice and shiny. And then here let's take a look inside. So you have the red dot here for the right side and the blue dot for the left side. And then all the way on the bottom you can see here the 3 pins for the charging of the earbuds. And here we have now the earbuds themselves. Here we have on the side, this one is a red dot. If you take a look on the left earbud, you see a little blue dot, so you know exactly where it goes. As I mentioned before, these looks very similar to the TUNE225tws. And here, I believe there's an LED behind there. I think that's like a charging indicator, and if it's turned on or when it's in the pairing mode. Here on the bottom you have the characters here, the left and for the right. And then here on the outside, on the bottom you see here the exclamation mark and the JBL logo. And then on the top here, that's where we have the button. One button on each, so you can press this. Right now the earbuds are not charged yet, so that's why nothing happens. So let's start charging them. So the red one on the right, the blue one on the left. So we just drop them in, and they are also magnetic, so if you hold this upside down, they are not going to fall out by themselves. Very nice. And then if you take a look at the right earbud, you see now the LED here, the charging LED is turned on. And also on the charging case itself you see the 2 LEDs right now, so we're showing the charging state of the charging case. And then right now the left earbud is not charging, Let me pull this out, let's drop it back in, and now you see, now it's charging. So I guess that may be a little issue here with these earbuds, that they don't want to necessarily charge. You always have to make sure that it really charges. That's good to know. Yeah, so this is already it here, the unboxing video. We're going to have more videos later. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please write a message below.